Hello, everybody. I hope you're having a wonderful evening this evening. And today I would like to go over the XRP price chart. So as you can see, not much has changed since we last spoke. XRP just been ranging around upward consolidation. I mean, it's poking out the top a little bit. That's great. I don't think the trend lines matter a whole lot. As far as the price, we're still range bound. We haven't moved as much. My light gray line was drawn and shown to be incorrect. Now, I could move these functions out and stretch it out, but I would say if it's wrong on the time scale, then that specific projection was wrong. So I'm going to leave it there just to see how price plays out after this, but I still do believe that price will come down to 0.525. And I say that based purely on the data. You know, I want XRP to go way up and do amazing things and obviously explode completely to the upside, because I only put in purchase orders. I don't sell short personally, and this is not financial advice, but I still do believe, just based on the data, that we will come down to 0.525. Now, I don't know what the narrative is going to be like for this. I don't know what the price action is going to look like. I can only guess what the price action in between looks like. All I know is that there is something that happens at this level that I can see on the order books. So we're ranging around here. We could get a narrative pretty soon. I know the SEC has to file Form C tonight to say whether they're going to appeal or not. And everyone out there apparently thinks they're going to appeal by tonight, 11:59. I'm not even sure which locale time, but if we do get an appeal, that could be a potential narrative to just bring us down to this level. Even if it's on a quick wick, I'm thinking come down, tag this level, make sure everything's even, and then the price moves up, would be the most likely scenario. And we can see what narrative it's going to be on. But, you know, as the price moves up here, I still have to stick with the data, because I've been doing this a very, very long time, and I've seen price move far away only to come back to this exact level. As far as the TVP right now, the one that counts is the lowest one, 0.525. These other ones up here are also order imbalances that would be the TVP if these areas were filled. As you can see, that this order imbalance, the highest one, 0.537, this one has already got tagged, used up. The price action bounced around on it perfectly, and then, okay, we got a little move to the upside, and we're waiting for decision downside, or are we going to explode up? I'm not sure. But what I do know is the probability of the price going down to the lowest TVP is extremely high. And so now that we tag this light blue line, we can go ahead and delete this. That was another TVP, but the one that really counts is the bottom one. As far as the price action goes, I do think that it may chop around a little bit here. If we get some kind of narrative, we could come down to this level, fill this level with, you know, fairly fast, and then the price action would be even. And then after, if that were to happen, I would immediately expect a price rise. I think everything is ready, and XRP will have a great move up that is sustainable. As far as the weekly candles go, I just want to go over that real quick. The weekly candles, you can see it looks like it just formed a bottom right there and it's coming up. But now hear me out. If we do get a dip on some light news, whatever it is, we're really not that far away from this TVP. If this candle, this is a weekly candle, if this candle were to turn around and the narrative is that crypto starts cooling off because it's been hot recently and some other news comes out, this candle could turn slightly red to this level, and I think it would have a tall wick on the top, and that would really be max pain for everybody. And I think that's capitulation, and then it would, in my opinion, once it comes to the TVP, there's no reason to go lower, and it can continue upwards.